is just a channel. You rocking with your boy Blade. Ain't no telling what we gonna get into today. It's gonna be action-packed. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get the freshest, the hottest, the newest videos. This channel is all about inspiration. It's all about positivity, good energy. But we definitely gonna have fun. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna think smart, but we're gonna have fun more than anything on this channel. But I want y'all to let all your friends know, even your baby mama. Man, getting all these cords tangled up. I need to buy some other. Buy the. They got all these different cord options now. I should buy one of them, but be coming into the body shop part of my business. Man, I want to start off and say, hey man, if you new to the channel, man, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that button, man. I really appreciate it. If you been subscribed, man, hey, I appreciate you. Go ahead and comment. Let me know how long you've been following me. Let me know what kind of content y'all like that I'm creating. But today, I'm finna go ahead and start setting up for what's gonna happen tomorrow. So I'm at my business. I know what y'all wanna see. I'm gonna go ahead and show it to y'all. But that's not what this video is about today. I'm just gonna give y'all a rundown what's going on at the shop. So I'm gonna start off with y'all favorite, which is the Monte Carlo. Just my 86 T-top. This is not what this video is about today. I got a wreck over there. As y'all can see, we sent one of the other cars home. We just been focusing more on the insurance jobs here at the shop. Just bent up a little bit. Bracket's still intact. All the trim. They're all white. What's good, man? Got these notes over here. This the inventory. Let me cut this down.
Someone once walked across it. Oh no, I walked across it.
I'm gonna this. I'm gonna shut this down. So I'm over here. This the inventory on this. I'm finna go and get these car parts. I'm gonna show y'all what I got going, and I'm gonna try to get my mustache and everything, my beard taken care of. Got the fresh braids now. So I'm gonna try to go ahead and get cleaned up so I can look decent for my lady. I'm finna show y'all this truck that we got over here. So I gotta get some things for the barbershop part of the business. Let's have a guy here. Everything over here on hold. That's back in, need some work on it. Finally got that one done. But that's not my bike to work on, that's my partner's. Got this for a customer. You know, his young daughter, she had an accident. Wrecked mom and dad's car, so we fixing it for them. Pearl, finna do a blend on it. You know, and this is the type of stuff that happens, man, you know. But I'm pretty sure the wife like, hey, it's time to get something new. So we're gonna see, but we're gonna clean up the headlights on this one. You know, we wanna make Mama Bear happy. Make sure everybody's safe. But we're gonna, he fixed the tabs on the original bumper, so we won't have to do none of that funny business, aftermarket stuff. But the bracket, I'm finna call this paint shop, I'm finna call this full part shop store, see if they got it. If not, I'm about to have to order it. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm finna jump in the ride. Finna get out of here. But yeah, man, I got this partnership going. I'm really excited about it. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna introduce the world to my business partner on this one, and I'm gonna show y'all the process of what we was doing to get this car right. I'm really just a painter, helper, body man, assistant, whatever you want to call it. But I do what I gotta do to keep the team moving forward. So man, I'm excited about this. It's been a long time in the coming. I haven't had any employees or nothing going on, just outsourcing stuff with my friend E. Shout out to my partner E Air Auto Works. My partner Eric. Shout out to my boy Brian. Shout out to my partner Cecil. All my partners that do car stuff. Shout out to GR3, my boy Greg and them. I mean, it's a lot of people that I deal with on these cars and that give me solid advice and really help me get forward. But most of all, man, shout out to my partner, man, Big D Customs. You know what I'm saying, Darius. Appreciate you being a supporter, subscriber, business partner, all that, man. I really do appreciate you, man. I'm looking forward to doing some business with them. And y'all stay tuned, man. See what we get.